Howdy! How's everybody out there in YouTube land today? I hope this finds you well. I'm doing a special video here. It's a little, kind of an unboxing happy mail type video, and it's about Russell Clarity over at Simply Wooden Creations. I went to the mailbox today and I couldn't have been more surprised in my life. You could have knocked me over with a feather because there's a package there in the mailbox, and it was from Russell. I wasn't expecting anything from Russell, and I opened it up and he sent me this really cool 15-piece keyless hybrid chuck set. And he sent this to me for my birthday next month. Isn't that sweet? I mean, he's a little ahead of himself because, you know, I've got another month to go. But isn't that sweet of him? Lord have mercy. He does a really good woodworking type show that's got scroll saw stuff, and he has all kinds of guests on there, do all kinds of different maker crafts. If you are interested in any kind of woodworking or maker crafts, you need to tune in there to Russell Clarity's show, Simply Wooden Creations. He does a live stream every Saturday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm one of the ones on the panel. He has a whole cast of characters there on the panel, and boy, we're characters too. He also does a Twitch show on Wednesday nights. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's on about 7:30 on Wednesday nights on Twitch. And again, it's Simply Wooden Creations. And I hope you'll join Russ. He is one heck of a sweet man. I don't care what anybody says about him. So I hope you all tune in there to Simply Wooden Creations and check Russ out. He is a sweetheart. So we'll see y'all later. Only one thing left to say, and that's Brenda's crafty. Be like Brenda.